lower limit into derivative of lower limit. So function of upper limit over here if I take, now it is d by dx na. So I will take d by dx of this f dash, this is fx also, so it will become f dash x, right? So here when I take function of upper limit, that is x replacing over here, so I get here x square into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into derivative of upper limit, derivative of x is 1 minus function of lower limit is 0, so this is 0, okay, and obviously 0, matter closes, okay, so there is nothing over here, matter closes over. So I get this as derivative of x to be as x square into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now the question over here is given to you as this. I need to think whether I am going to get minimum or maximum over here. That is what exactly is required. So I will be just checking all the possibilities. That is whether I am getting minimum, I am getting maximum, I am getting local minimum, I am getting local maximum, what all in the given interval 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. This is so called as closed here and obviously open there, right? So I got here as f dash x to be as this, which I am now removing this also. So now actually I can write this as x minus 0 the whole square. Purposely I will show you something here now. Already I have got so called as f dash x, barabar. So for minimum or maximum I need to get critical points which are already known to me. The critical points are 0, 2 and 3. So instead of getting the second derivative over here, I will show you something else. Okay, I will use wavy curve method over here. See here, I am plotting the critical points. This is 0, then is 2 and then is 3. Okay, so any value more than 3 if you take, any value more than 3, then this is no problem over here. More than 3 if you take, so this derivative is going to become positive. That means, as I showed you in wavy curve method earlier, this will become plus over here. Now, if I take any value between 2 and 3, you assume any value, So any value you take between 2 and 3 means 2.5 suppose. So 2.5, this time I am not touching only. 2.5 means this is so called as your positive, right? And this is your negative. So between 2 and 3, you get negative, so comes down like this. This is your negative part. Right. Now any value between 0 and 2, so let me take it as 1, very simple, 1. So 1 minus 2 negative and 1 minus 3 negative. Negative, negative means positive, comes upside here. Okay, this like this it comes. Okay, this is your positive. Now apart of less than 0 if I take, now less than 0 if I take, so less than 0 means so called as, let me take minus 1. So minus 1 if I take, this so no problem. So this will become minus, even this will become minus, that is nothing but positive. So this is the point of inflection, right? So this is your point of inflection because positive to positive you get. So now you can see here what I mean to say is कि function is having derivative positive towards left. See it like this, to the left of 2, the function has derivative positive, and to the right of 2, function has derivative negative. That means to the left of 2, the function has this particular slope, and to the right of 2 it has like this. Means this point which is there is the point of maximum. So I can say कि function has maximum, that is it has maximum at x is equal to 2, or I can say local maximum at x is equal to 2. My first conclusion is like this: local max at x is equal to 2. One more time I will explain to you. I have plotted the points of derivative, critical points I have plotted. That means they are talking about the slope, right? So slope is positive to the left of 2 and negative to the right of 2. So it will come like this. this is positive and this is your negative. So this point which is there, that is stationary point, it will be the point of maximum. Okay. The same story comes for this. To the left of 3, it is negative, and to the right of 3 it is positive, right? Means it comes negative like this, and this is your 3 and positive here. Means the point 3, that is at x is equal to 3, it is local minimum. So I get local minimum at x is equal to 3, right? That means even I can talk about what is the behavior of function between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, what is the behavior of the function? It is increasing or decreasing. So many things I can discuss, but only these two things I will be talking about. And at least I can see that there is at least one point between this particular interval where obviously we will get at least one, there can be more, at least one point where you will get a stationary point, that is your f dash c will be equal to 0. Okay, so this is one of the question which we can solve using wavy curve method, and many questions you can solve like this without so called as actually finding the critical points. Now come to this special question. It seems to be very big. I have written it actually. Function is defined on real number, okay, and f dash x is told as 2020 x minus 2019 x minus 2020 whole square x minus 2021 whole cube x minus 2022 raised to 4 for all x belonging to real number. That means x is belonging to real number. That is the greatest matter which we can get solved over here. Now what he says further, कि g is the function defined on real number. That also is defined with values going from 0 to infinity, means all positive values. That is the best part. So if positive is there, then anything we can talk about with, means whatever result we get, we can already very easily talk about its existence in positivity or in negativity. Function of x is equal to log of gx. Okay, function of x is there and f dash x is there, so I will better talk about this only pehle and then I will read the question. I have here function of x is equal to log of gx, right? Log of gx, that means your g of x is nothing but e raised to function of x. Okay, this though you know very nicely, very easily. Okay, g of x will be called e raised to function of x. So what will be my g dash x, which I am finding whether I don't know whether it is required or not. So g dash x is equal to e raised to x into f dash x, right? And what it says, okay, which x belongs to real number here also, then number of points in R, that is real number at which g has local maximum. Yes, so better it is I solved it. Okay, g has local maximum. So for local maximum or local minimum, I require g dash x, so which I already found out. Now g dash x which is there, now he says over here that g dash x is equal to e raised to function of x. Okay, so e raised to function of x means whatever is the function of x, it is e raised to positive value or negative value, does not matter, and already x is told as positive. Here function is defined on real number and x is already belonging to real number, having, it is telling that g is taking values from 0 to infinity, right? So all positive values, and e raised to function of x, here always e raised to function of x will be positive only. It cannot be equal to 0 also, it will be only positive. Okay, so if it is positive, so game changes only with f dash x, means I must only think of f dash x. The behavior of f dash x will be behavior of g dash x, right? So f dash x we will see here, f dash x is 2020, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, barabar. तो already f dash x is already known to you. So as I said, behavior of f dash x means maximum or minimum of f dash x will be obviously the maximum minimum of g dash x, right? So that much points, I don't want to know exact points, I just want to know कि how many points will be there where I will get local maximum or local minimum according to that, what is asked. So I will check कि f dash x is minimum and maximum at how many points पहले. So same points will be for g dash x. So I just showed you this same thing I am taking here. Here I am taking. So here I have points. Yes, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes. So this is your 19 and this is your 20. This is your 21 and this is your 22. Obviously this side it will be plus and even this side it will be plus. Okay. Now you can check it. As we will see here, there are powers also, so you have to be very careful with that, right? So I will take the values. Let me start from here, from extreme right. 21, 22. Okay, 21, 22. Between 21 and 22, that is so called as 21.5. So 21.5, 21.5. So this is positive. This is positive. Even this is positive, right? 21.5, yes, 21.5, and this is negative, right? This will be negative. Getting it? But actually what happens, ki this is negative but having power 4. So obviously this is going to become positive only. So it is here, right? Wavy curve method says, if you don't change the sign, you keep it up that same side only. That means if it changes sign, तो नीचे लेके आओ या फिर ऊपर ही रखो उसको. अब between 20 and 21, तो 20.5, suppose we take 20.5, तो ये पॉजिटिव ये पॉजिटिव, इन दोनों का तो मैं सोच नहीं रहा हूँ, सिर्फ देखूंगा यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर, राइट? तो 20.5 this is positive and this is negative, right? So result will be obviously negative, so it will drip down here. Right? And then obviously I have between 19 and 20. 19 and 20, this and this, so I am not checking. Only two places I will check because these are going to be positive only always. So this two I am checking, that is 19.5. 19.5, this is your positive and this is your negative. So comes like this. Right? That means I can see कि actually this graph behaves only at 2 points. That is, this is your so called as 19 and this is your 21, right? So before 19 it is positive, from here to here it is negative only, and after 21 it is positive. That means you can see that it has only one maximum and only one minimum, right? Because f dash x, here it is positive, that means slope is positive over here, and it goes to negative, that means increasing and decreasing. So this is your point of maximum and this is your point of minimum. So therefore it has that is this gx has only one maximum, has only one, and that is local maximum. Okay, I hope you understood this. What I did was gx relation is given to me, so that I took pehle, and I took gx, that is logarithmic, I removed and I converted it into exponential form. So I got e raised to function of x, and when I differentiated it, I got as e raised to a function of x into f dash x. So e raised to function of x into f dash x, when I get here, so obviously my g dash x depends on what? E raised to function of x and f dash x. So what did I think, I mean Samir sir thought, what I thought is, okay, what will be the role of this e raised to function of x? So for x belongs to real number, so there is no problem. For every real number, e raised to whatever is there is going to become positive only. That means the game changer is only f dash x. So whatever way f dash x will behave, same way this g dash x also will behave. So I found out the behavior of f dash x in wavy curve method. In that I found out that between 19 and 21 it changes only, rest nowhere it changes. That means it is increasing and decreasing between 19 and 21. To the left of 19 it increases and to the right of 19 it decreases. That means this is the point of maximum, and to the left of 21 it decreases and to the right of 21 it increases. That is f dash x I am talking about. So therefore this is the point of minimum. Okay. So now you get it has only one minimum and one maximum. Hope you have enjoyed this session, and we'll be coming with more selected problems on this in near future. So stay tuned till then. The most important part that I believe, as I said, is in solving. I don't believe in tricks. See what happens, the examiners are more smarter than us. The moment we find the trick, the next year they change that particular question. That is so that that particular trick is not applicable. Okay? So don't rely on trick. Rely based most on the fundamentals which are required, and be perfect with the formulas. As I told you, okay, why did I use here Leibniz? So this is very clearly understood with Leibniz, because if you get f dash x very easily with this, so this is your Leibniz rule, which is written in very short, that is very simple language. Okay, it is function of upper limit into derivative of upper limit minus function of lower limit into derivative of lower limit. So being this 0, this is being 0, so this second part does not come, only this part must come, then we can use it by wavy curve method. I hope you are studying regularly, you are getting opportunity, make use of this particular opportunity. Till now lockdown is over. Even if it is over, please do not step out of home, be very careful and stay safe. Goodbye and thank you.